Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today is 12/7/2018 and this is our live stream session. Looking at gold right now, guys. We've been in this position for a little bit. We married this thing right on this day, right around 111.80, and we're at 117, almost 118. We're going to pull our first half, most likely here at gap fill and the 120 or 119 200 MA. We're going to see how it reacts, though, guys. Getting a nice grind. They've been shaking and baking this thing, so going up real nice on us now, and we'll see if we get a little bit more out of this one. All right, let's get into the SPY, guys. We had a great trade today. Us, our members, we got in some SPY puts at 113, and right now they're sitting at 521. I'm out already of the position. I don't know if any of the members held, but my gosh, we are just killing it, guys. We got in this morning. Here, let me look. We got this morning off the topping tail. So we filled the gap here. We went in and we pulled out half. Went in again at, I think it was 119, and then pulled half and half. And now it's still going down. These options now, guys, are 550. We got in at 113 and 119. My members did. They're at 550 right now. And, of course, as you know, if you follow me, story of my life, I usually sell. Everything usually goes lower the right way that I bought. We did pull off some shares off of Autodesk today. We did cover some more off of Alta today on earnings. We did play that one. We've been in the trade going into earnings, but since it was coming down a little bit more, we covered a little bit more today. Only holding a quarter position now in Alta, guys. But yeah, we took the here's the post on the SPY. So we bought SPY puts today. Don't load the boat. Still a high risk trade at 113. We sold half at 156. Came back down at 119, trading off the topping tail, 10-minute time frame. I'll explain that to my members. So we bought at 119 again. We sold at 166. Came down, sold half of the half at 225, and then sold the rest of the position at 305. Right now, guys, these things are trading at 553. Now at 4, now at 5. Then I write stuff, please protect. These puts are, now remember, when I sell, you hold, just kidding, blah, blah, blah. But I'll post stuff during the day. If you're still in these, just protect. They expire today, so you have to do something. I mean, I guess you don't have to. No, I would. Just get the hell out. 553, these just clicked off at. So, members, we got freaking killed it this week. God, Christmas was yesterday and the other day, and now we got that trade today for 100% plus. It's been a great week, guys. Great week. All right. Amazon shorted shares at the open again. What a great shorting stock is right now. Yeah, Mark, just keep it going, buddy. You're in the driver's seat now. Let's see here. You didn't get the put play, Mark? Nice options trade. I need a second account. B-Rabbit. Good day. I jumped in on big. All right, hold on. Let's look at this one here. All right, so Amazon, Mark's in this one here. He's one of the members here at StockBookie. 645 is probably going to be your next area, Mark, possibly some support. Even the 1650 area, this thing starts to crack, they'll look for the 1628. Hold on to this. Great call on that. Look at that, right to these huge moving averages. We took the trade here. We took another trade here short. And look at this. What do we talk about in the SPY with the short-term retraces, guys? Yeah, shares, nice. Mark, you're in the driver's seat, bud. Let it roll, or pull half off. Protect it. You still don't know. Uncle Jerome, he bad jobs report. They're trying to get this thing up today, and then boom, right back down, guys. Look at NVIDIA, $10 down. Oh, my gosh, everything's getting slammed now. Oh, man. I jumped in big today? Like big, the stock? For what? I'm not sure. Are you shorting this thing, or I bought big shares? Yes. Oh, I'm not sure. Good day. Big shares on the SPY short or on big? Or I bought big shares? Yes. All right. Long on big, and Yeah, I don't know about that, but let's see. Bounce play. All right, let's see. Oh man, no, there was your bounce right there. This thing could go to $30 and 27.29, and then catch this pivot here at 25. Just be careful, man. If the markets continue to sell, big's going to continue going lower. So please be careful with that. I'm not in that trade at all or anything, so I'm not sure. I know you're trying to play the bounce, but let's look at the monthly, see if there's anything on the monthly. Okay, there you go. Monthly 200 MA. So you could get a bounce there, but if the markets go lower, you're going to $25 on this one. So and this is a monthly chart, it could definitely go through these moving averages. This isn't like a daily where it hits it and bounces, or a 10-minute. This could definitely keep flushing. So be really, really careful with that one. Real close to a break below 170. Yes, sir. What is the target on workday? Looks like a gap fill at 147. Let's see. Yeah, now workday, I'm holding this thing. This thing's just like monthly chart 123, guys. I mean, but let's see, 147 gap fill. Let's see. Yeah, be rabbit. How about that? Freaking they're at 554 now. Those options, $1.19 and a $1.13. We got those in. So members, if you missed that trade, you probably don't have an account. Twice we did it. Gave you 2 chances to do it. But yeah, gap fill right here. Yeah, 145 or so. You got the big, open window here at 147. Telling you, when this thing starts rolling and the markets keep pulling back, this thing's going to be at least. Let's look at the weekly 200 MA, $96, guys. I mean, it'll go 140, 131, but look at this. Man, we didn't get that push up yesterday. Had to push this thing up with the jobs report. What did I talk about in my video last night? They're going to have to push it up, the jobs report, if it's bad, and it has more to come down. We're 417. If we would have been 800 down yesterday, we'd be bleeding right now. So, guys, we got out of all of our puts this week for nice profits. That was awesome. And just pulling stuff. Still a good short. It's not bad. Yesterday would have probably been the area to do it because it bounced up here. But, it's still not bad. But it's still, you start shorting, and the next thing you know, this thing's going to push up again. If you want to give it a shot, just go half position. If it pushes up again, then you know what to do. You got to add more. And at least you get something out of this because, I'm at 61.51. You're still going to get a $20 pullback. And again, it all depends. The markets float during Christmas into Christmas, then this could possibly float. If the markets get destroyed, then everything's coming down, guys. So, but yeah, workday, we've been short, covering, adding, covering, kind of like CRM, adding, covering. But yeah, I mean, this thing, I knew when I took this trade that it could turn into a swing trade or maybe a couple-week hold, and I explained that to everybody. Still, we're playing the monthly chart, and monthly chart, first target's 123. It could take a couple months. If you do puts, don't go like 2 weeks out. You got to go 3 months, 4 months out. All right, maybe a little further. All right, so yeah, but let's see here. All right, let's go back. Hold on. Hey, David, what's up, buddy? Mark short Amazon. Ant, good day. Jumped in the big. Be careful with that. Nice options trade. Thanks. Mark shares. I bought big shares. Yes. Ant, just be careful with that. How about Google? No, I'm not really looking at Google right now. I mean, we're at some pivotal areas. The short would have been here, again, on the retrace, double top, 200 MA, straight back. Look at God, did this thing set up nice. Got the gap up on the bullshit news on Sunday, Saturday. The Chinese trade deals closed. They gap everything up, guys, and that was the spot to put the puts on and any shorts. We added a bunch of shorts on this day, guys, and now we're cherry picking each one. You just can't play it better than that. So Google, nothing to do. AMT, I'm tempted to short that stock. Your opinion, please. AMT. Yeah, AMT. Let's look at the monthly. Yeah, we were trying to wait on this one a little bit more. Let's see if we get to 175, 180. It's a little bit stretched on this one. I want to see a little bit more. Alex, check on earnings on this one too. Let's see where earnings are, because, you know, see how it gets stretched every time, comes back in, gets stretched, comes in, gets stretched. This time it didn't come and kiss it, but it did it here, kissed it there, went right back up. So find out if earnings already passed. And then really we got to see when's earnings next quarter as well on this one. So I would like to see it 180, 185, really just maxed out. Look at this run, guys, from 2009 straight up. I'd like to see one good blow off top and then the frickin' dump. Long bounce play, yes. Apple getting real close to breaking below 170. Yeah, Apple's just a flipping turd. Right back, you know how many people they got long in again this one, and they're shaking them out again right here. Everybody went long here. We talked about Apple. If it didn't fill the gap and get above this area, it's not going anywhere. Straight back down, guys. Right to double bottom. We still have a little bit of support at the gap fill here, right around the 169 area. So watch for that. So that's where you have to go, you know, with Apple. Yeah, it's starting to break down. We still have gap fill, but now it's been consolidating in this lower range. So I'm thinking Apple next stop's going to be about 160, and then honestly 150. Market stump, we're going to 150. And hold on, let's look at the weekly. What I've been talking about, weekly 200 MAs, 141. Gosh, look at this shit. We get to 141, we'll be buying. I mean, can't say it yet. I got to see how it comes down into this area, but we might get some massive call plays too, guys. Yes, sir. What is your target on workday? Yeah, workday's going lower. I mean, if the market's dump, we're going a lot lower. Workday, let's go to right there, 96 bucks. I know. I'll be long gone before then. I get 20 out of this one, a little bit more, I'll be done. But yeah. I mean, weekday, you want to take that as a short, you can. Remember, just save some if it bounces up again. If it comes back down, because here was another good area, guys. This is something, you know, we were looking at this too. You know, did we see that in Coke? Did we see that in Dallas? Did we see that in some other place? Goes right back in the line, gets above it. It's going great. Oh, it's workday, and then this is just the sucker play right here. Get everybody back in, and it can start bouncing around again. It's workday, but it had earnings. So that's one thing you got to keep in mind. Still can bounce around. They had good earnings. I mean, a stock that goes from 50 bucks, to 170. I mean, that should probably go higher. Looking at quick G play. You schmitty. All right. Let's see. Oh, no, don't touch it. We talked about this. I mean, the market's got to bounce for this thing to bounce. But look at this, guys. We are being patient with this GE, and it's paying off. You want GE, Schmitty? Brian, right there, 582. I think we're going to go somewhere in here. So we get past 650. That's where you want to start getting interested. It still could go to $5. I mean, look at this chart, guys. I mean, we got support right here too, right at 408, 522. 522 I even like there. So just be careful. This thing's falling like a brick. And everyone's trying to get in this thing, and they just keep dragging it lower. Margin call, margin call, margin call. Looking for a quick, yeah. So I got the trend line there. I get that. Maybe $7, but markets go lower, guys. It's going to go lower. Damn, those options are trading at 537 by 568 now, guys. You hear that, donkey boy? He's still holding. He bought a bunch of calls today, the donkey. All upside down right now. Disaster. And he just sent me an email. You suck, StockBookie. He's like, you lost so much this year. Everyone's losing. I was like, wow, you're following the wrong guy, bro. So, hey, why don't you watch and learn, and we'll go from there, buddy. But, all right, suggestions on Lulu? Lulu. Yeah, stay away from this little bitch. It's coming down nice. Look at that, guys. That puts play would have played nice. I didn't do shit with this one yesterday. Lulu, we're going to start filling gaps here. 105, 113. This one's almost done. 95 is my price target right now, then 75 on this pig. Look at that. High flyer, guys, coming in. Nothing to do. We were talking about this one. Lulu pops, we're going to short. If Lulu drops, just let it go. Nothing to do with Lulu, at least for me. At least for me. IQ? No, I don't have, my IQ's very, very low. No. Yeah, nothing to do here. Maybe around 15.37, $15. We've talked about this one though, about going long, and just let it fall. We're in a downtrend. I mean, look at this stock. Typical IPO, straight up, straight down. Let it go lower. Don't even, markets go lower. This one's going to probably 10, maybe lower. Just be careful with that one, John. Workday and average with an average of 171.15. Thanks, Bookie. Yeah, B Rabbit killing it. Everyone was crying with that one. No, but you know what though, guys? It's trading. But remember, I'll tell you, there's no crying in trading. Hey, Schleplick, you're watching, buddy. Say hello. We got a Stock Twits main guy in here, I think, at least. I'm not sure. But, all right, guys, we're starting to catch a little bit of a bid in the markets. A little bit up and down action. Volume's not that bad. I mean, we're at 56 million going into lunchtime, so we should probably do about 30 million, depending on the action towards the end of the day. We are going into the weekend, and we'll see what happens from there, guys. Suggestion on Lulu? No, nothing to do with Lulu. IQ, we looked at that. Workday, yeah. You're at 171.15, so you're in the driver's seat on this one. Let's see. 171, so 17. You're up $10. It's 5%, but your next area will be about 150. Well, 160, 158, and then you're looking at 152 in here. If you get the 152, you're gonna have to start chiseling some off. Even here, I wouldn't be pissed if you took something off, because you see how the markets are. We could get a massive up move on Monday on some China trade news. They're close. You guys know how they're working this deal. Maybe the Buffett special over the weekend. We'll see. Let's see here. Hey, John, killed the SPY calls, man. Killed the SPY calls. The SPY puts, the SPY call that we did on the puts. Yeah, I hear ya. Yeah, Leo, those things freaking, oh my gosh. And I get 2 times, guys. You guys could have got an entry, 119 and 113, and these things hit 550 today. 550. We had expiration day of today, but I figure I'm going to give this thing a shot. And here's why we did this, guys. What do we do today? We filled the gap, correct? We filled the gap right here. There was gap fill. Even number 270, and then we had this little tiny topping tail. Took the trade. Then it retraced. It gave us again the entry. Even gave it a little bit here. And that was it, guys. We hit the 20 MA, starting to go sideways, and then I didn't figure we were going to dump more. I took my 315 or 305, got my 100% on them, and I was like, see you later. So that was nice. Tweeted about deal coming close to China, trying to save the market. Seriously? Did he just tweet today, Carmela? This is, and then did you see the Fed news yesterday? What? I was on CNBC. Fed thinking about slowing down the rate hikes or something like that. And that's why we got the rally yesterday. It's incredible, guys. So you got to keep an eye on the news at this point. They're going to throw out anything. That was this morning. Jeez. It's coming, guys. It is. Yeah, remember Trump before he was president? We're in the biggest bubble in the history of the stock market. And now he's like every other president. Just like every other talking head, guys. Just keep throwing it out. They got to bring Buffett out. They have to. Yeah, that's why we rallied. Yeah, I saw that yesterday. I was looking around on CNBC, and I was like, man, why in the hell did we turn around yesterday? What was going on? And there was on here, Uncle Jerome said something. Market sees easier Fed at November hiring slowdown. Yeah, now they're all going to talk about now is Fed's looking at the job numbers close. I don't think they're going to raise them. Blah blah blah. Everything starts. Look at Nvidia though coming down, guys. Jeez. All right, hold on here. Yeah, but there's something on there. Oh yeah, here comes all the lip service, guys. All the lip service. All right, hold on here. Hold on. Sorry, did you see Avgo? It was beautiful. No, I did not. Avgo. It was beautiful. Did it fade? Yeah, all right. Yeah, I like the Avgo around 242. But look at that fade though, guys. 38, $10 fade on that one already. Damn. But the level, let's see. Let's just see if there was anything up here. Yeah, there wasn't much. Well, I guess you could make a case if you really wanted to, like this guy here. Yeah, look at that. Now, if we get above that trend line, probably higher prices will fill the gap and come to here. If it cannot hold that, this is a weekly close. So let's see if we get below the 20 MA down the weekly. We get that close down there, then we're probably going to be lights out here, guys. But we have another trend line down here now, where it can hold this guy up. Well, actually, let's put it at the bottom there. Look at that. So we're in a nice little pennant here. Let's see what happens. See what this, which way this one gives out. Markets grind higher. This one will go higher. Markets grind lower. You'll have a little bit of a pause down here, but then probably lights out. 191 would be the target on this one. Avgo. Yeah, nice, Leo. AMD. Yeah, AMD. We're getting close to cover the last half of our short here, guys. Yes, we are short AMD. We covered half already. Yeah, you know what? I'm trying. You know what? I'm going to cover half of the half. I'm not going to be a pig on this one. Our short entry, guys. And listen up, donkey boy. 23.30 we shorted this at. We got half out at 21.45. We're going to cover half of the half now, guys. Half of the half. Well, hold on. I'm going to put this in for my members. Covered half of the half. AMD at... All right, guys, hold on. Give me a sec. 1998, guys, 1998. Holding quarter position now. Donkey boy. This guy keeps telling all his people that I'm short from $11. I'm like, dude, I'm out of this thing. All right, 1998, guys. If you're short AMD, if you didn't cover half, definitely cover something down here. We're in the driver's seat, another 6% on this half. God, it's just like Christmas comes early. Man. All right, guys, you know what happens. I cover, you know what's going lower. There it goes. Like always. Every flipping time. But that's okay. Gosh, $3 on the trade so far, holding a quarter position. Hee-haw. Yeah, Carmela knows, donkey boy. Yeah, so AMD, I'm short. I think we're going to 18. Nothing to do here, guys. We shorted on this pop right into here, and that was the move. Got a little bounce yesterday, bam, right back down. I think we're heading towards the 1802. I'm going to hold the quarter position and see if we could get that. If this thing ends up popping up again, we'll rinse and repeat. That's what we do here. Just like Tesla went up today again, we shorted more. We covered half, shorted more, covered half, shorted more. That's what we do. That's another one, donkey boy lies. He's been shorting that one, getting killed. No, I've been shorting that one, making money. That's what I've been doing. So AMD, guys, still in this lower range, still consolidating, still below the MAs. Now we're back below the 20, weak position. This area breaks down here, guys. I'm telling you, this thing's going back to $10. $10, I'll be a buyer again. I mean, it's not going to go straight down, but you're going to catch, 1576, 1455, couple gaps in here. But at the end of the day, if the markets come down heavy, this is where we're going, right back down. They sucked everybody in. They're going to suck everybody out. They're going to take their life out of them. Something like that, guys. Oh, man. All right. And guys, if you're not a member at StockBookie.com, come and join the fun. $30 a month. We got an option play. We bought it $1.13 today. These options are at $5.50 right now. That one trade would pay for your whole year. Damn it. Of course, I sold early, but that's okay. I sold at 305 or 3 something. I don't even know anymore. What a week, though, guys. What a week. Yeah, we sold. I sold the last position at 305 from 119, and these things are at 5. Nothing's gone up. 529 by 573. Oh my gosh. Oh man. All right, let's see here. AMD, MU. I've been telling everyone to stay away. This thing's just dry. This thing's a brick. If it does not hold the 34 area, it's going lower. Going a lot lower, guys. It's a big area right there. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly chart, 200 MA. I keep talking about that. 28 bucks. This thing's going to 28. And if it hits 28, it might even be going lower. So just be careful, guys. Everything's a market trade right now. You're still consolidating, a little bit stretched from the 20 MA, so it could have a chance to go up. I don't know if it's going to make it to the 43 area, but it's in a weak stance, going sideways for weeks. Markets break down, guys. This thing's easily going to 28 bucks. And I would guess 23, 26. Yes, guess. I'm going to guess like a donkey. Oh man, just funny stuff, guys. Just stay away from these. If you're in this thing long, if it breaks 34.19, you're gonna have to get the hell out because it's going to 28. Yeah, GT, just be careful with this one. I mean, look at these stocks: up $5, down $5, up $5. You know, now it's time to do more intraday stuff like we did today. Quick SPY trade, 50 minutes, get the hell out. You know, stuff like that. So we're going to be doing a little bit of that more. Michael, Vive. Vive, we took that trade. We're already done with that one. But, yeah, I mean, Vive, we're at 80 bucks. Still going to go lower. Look at the monthly chart. Monthly chart, I got 73 bucks. You know, we had a nice retrace. We took a short on, I think, an earnings play. Boom, in and out. So I'm not doing anything with this. If it retraces back up, you short it. If you're short now, you're in the driver's seat. You're looking at 86.90 area, then 80 bucks. If it cracks there, it's going to 73. I have a target on the weekly chart, 200 MA. This thing could go to 49 bucks, guys. 49. Everyone's like, what? Bookie said 49 bucks? Yeah, 200 MA. Here's your chart. Here's your time. That's the target. It's going to take a little while probably, but if markets come in, this thing it'll be an 80, then 75. Everyone will be like, what the hell? But actually, you got some good pivots here at 52. So 49.32 might be a reach. It's more about 52 bucks. But Vive, yeah, be careful with that one. CVNA. CVNA. Yeah, nothing to do here. Look at that. Look at it again. Nice retrace. That would have been the short right there and right back down. Holding this on the weekly, but gosh, this thing looks like it wants this area down here around 24 bucks. Look at that high flyer. Frick. That's brutal, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, there's your 50 MA, I think, right there, that little tiny dot. So $28, and then I think it could go to 22. If you're long this one, just tighten the stop or pray to Jesus because this thing's coming down lower. If you're short, though, you're in the driver's seat now. Just be careful with that one, bud. Trump tweeted, yeah, deal coming. Of course he did. Yes, this morning. That's why we rallied. Okay, really going to suck when that realized trade just as a quarter of the problem. Oh, yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. This trade is just lip service right now. It means nothing to what's going on in the morning or in the markets, guys. Nothing. It means jack squat. Good thing you shorted that stuff. Yeah, come on. What's with MU? Nothing. Just a weak piece of crap that we shorted and shorted and shorted. So MU's just weak, guys, with the markets. Markets go lower. My MU's not going anywhere. It's pretty simple. 29 bucks. Here we come. 28. Still setting up. Daily chart looks like crap. Still below the MAs in a weak stand. Look at this. You're in a downtrend. Made a high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. It's not going. And here was a little bit of savings grace. Like, ooh, and everybody got back in there going, oh, it's MU. They probably even gave it an upgrade. Oh my gosh, it's great. And then right back down. Big area right here is 34 bucks. That cracks, we're going to 28. 30, then 28. Yeah, I'm still in UAL. I'm holding that thing. I don't have a huge position, Carmela, but yeah, I'm holding it. Good thing you shorted that. What's up with MU? NVIDIA stock of the year last year? Yeah, you're like, stock of the stock of the year. They're going to probably start throwing that out again if we ever catch a bid. Look at this. You know what they did here with everybody? They got everybody in again. Everyone who they destroyed here buying the dip. They bought the dip, bought the dip, bought the dip, bought the dip. And then came up here. They started chasing. They're slamming them again. If this crap, I'm telling you, this market start to give it up. Nvidia's going right here, 111. And then I wouldn't doubt $100. That's where it looks like it's going, guys. I've been barking that for a long time. This thing kept going and going and going and going. Everybody's stuck now. And then they're trying to buy the dip. Margin calls are coming in again, guys. We go down on this one, we're going right here. So be real careful with any long positions, guys. Any long positions. Alta new low today. Yep. We got out of half of the half. And now we're just letting it go. Ooh, going lower too. We got out of half of the half today. Oh, yeah, look at that. Woo! Guys, are we having fun yet? Another short coming in. Another high flyer, baby. We covered half of the half at 264.60. I'm thinking 252, guys. I'm going to take it off at the 200 MA on the daily, and our position will be done. But this is one that was great, too. We rinsed and repeated. We went short at 291. We covered half at 275. We went in again at 291, same position. And then we added another half. This is what we do on this one, guys. So we went in a position at 291.78. We covered half at 275.47. We took a quarter of that half and added it 291.48 again. Same position we got in at the first trade. It went up on us, so we added more at 305.68. It went up on us one more time at 320. And then what do we do, guys? What do we do? Now, but then we covered half at 382. We covered half of the half at 264. And now we're in the driver's seat, guys. You know, and that's how you got to play these. And yeah, they're going to go up. But Alta's a high flyer, guys. That's how this thing works. You know, look at this thing chopping around, chopping around, chopping around, chopping around. And it got us. It went up and then up and up and up. And it was like, here we go again. But we know smaller positions. We know. Where were we, guys? Double top. You have to do it. So when this thing dropped on this day, this was great, guys. What day was it? So we covered, we went in at 11.7. I was going to say it had to be right around here. And then there was a pullback, though. Oh, it might have been here. No, where the hell was it? 291, then 11.8. Gosh, where the hell was it? It was 11.8. Okay, this was the pullback right here. As I say, I didn't know it pulled back. Yeah, pulled back here, and that's where we covered half. It was like, holy crap, what's going on with Alta? And then out of the blue, straight up, guys, right into earnings. Okay, and then, well, it started coming in. But then as it went up on this one, I knew damn well, I was like, all right, hold on. Let's go back in at 291 again. We just covered at 275. So we gained $15 on that trade. We still had a quarter position left. So we added at 305 on 11.8, which was right here. Then we were holding. It was like, all right, let's just hold, breathe. And then on 11.19, right here, when we pulled back and then we retraced to the double top, that's when we added at the 320.83, guys. Then we pulled half off at 282 and then 264 and probably get out at 252. We'll see. I mean, we could pull it off right here and be done. But another great trade, guys. That was awesome. But stress-free trades, you know how I do this one, guys. Small positions, no more than 10% of your total portfolio in any share position. If you're doing options, no more than 2 to 3%. If you have a $100,000 account, 10 grand in shares, no more than 2 to 3 grand in an option. And I would play it these days at more like $1,000 to $2,000, guys. Keep it small. We'll keep crunching out trades and making money. Yeah, that's beautiful, SKW. Look at that. That was another one, guys. Why do we trade this one? Let's look at the monthly. Holy crap, 245 is that target. Look at that. We're pretty damn close now. Look at that. Double top perfectly right into it. And we knew going into earnings that, hey, if it pops, we're going to add more. Just like AutoZone. That one we're getting our ass kicked. But you know what? The time will come. AutoZone's targets are still 675. Damn, this thing just won't come down. It's freaking pig. It will, though. The time will come when all of a sudden it'll be a $50, $60 down day, and everyone will be like, what the hell's going on with AutoZone? Like O'Reilly's yesterday. That one's getting cooked. But this is AutoZone. It must be in Kramer's Charitable Trust. It probably is. That's why, you know, then as soon as it dips one little dip, look at the transports, guys, getting smoked again. Holy cow. God, Nvidia's getting smashed. Facebook's coming down again. The only one is Tesla. Must be the boring company. And so Tesla goes up on the boring company news. What the hell is that? That Tesla will come. The time will come for that one. You watch. All right, let's see. Alta new low today. Yep, 263. Yep, SC Ron. Yeah, it gapped up yesterday right into this area here. Even filled the gap right there. I would say that's probably the end of the road on this thing. Did they have earnings or something, John? Yeah, there's nothing. These stocks, I mean, I just can't do anything with these. Look at the movements. It's like a Tesla. It might either news or earnings. Was there news on this one? I think UAL can hit 76 before the crack. Oh yeah, UAL's gonna here. UAL. Hold on. Let's see. New. Yeah, it's all news. But look what happened though. We filled the gap. We hit this double top here before we started melting down. We retraced back up and did it again. So you have good resistance right here, right there, and gap fill and double top right here. That's where exactly where it went into. Now it's coming in. But now you're looking at, so now it's coming in. You have support at this line, and you have support at this line too at 1186. I mean, if you're in this thing from $6 and it goes to 14, shit, cut that turd. Yeah, these are, I mean, it's all news. I don't know. Maybe it's a drug company. I have no idea. But, at the end of the day, still a high flyer on the monthly. $6 is my price target. And you're even inside this bar here on the monthly. If you can't close above 1296, this one's going to have trouble going higher, even with the news. Just be careful in these things. Think of UAL. Yeah, let's look at UAL again. Yeah, look at that. Right back down. Cool. So it is coming in a little bit more. Yeah, this one I got stuck in. This one was just a piece of shit. Came down, should have covered here, and then it just freaking took off on me. Right in, I forgot when I got in. No, it might have been right here when it dipped. Or I should have just took my break even and got the hell out, and then it went up. I mean, another one, guys. But it's UAL. It is. It went from 38 to 100. It should go to 400. The only way, with the airline stocks right now is the oil's really cheap. But see what they did with the oil today, guys? They all got together. We're telling you, let oil go up again, and we're going to short it again. Yeah, how's that SEO trade doing for you, donkey boy? All right, let's see here. Tesla, we added more short today. You have to do it as these things pop up. We took some off. We're rinsing and repeating this one. Took it off, added again. Took it off, added again. Took it off, added again. Just rinse and repeat. We're still in the driver's seat, guys. We picked up like $35 on this trade when we shorted here, covered here, shorted here, covered there, and now we added more. Keep it going. Right in a huge area of resistance, guys. Every time it gets up here, what does this thing do? It goes right back down. This is what the stock does. It's the best trading stock ever in the history of trading vehicles. This is the one. 100-point moves up and down. Look at this. Shorted here at 389, covered here at 295, shorted here at 360, covered here at 350, shorted here at 370, covered here at 250. What's it doing now, guys? You want to go long up here? Maybe. If he could spread out more news and more bullshit, he could get it higher. But not to worry, guys. I'll add more at 390, 400. I don't care. You get an inside bar like this going straight up, you got to short right here. You have to. Pulls back another 20, we'll shave some more off, goes back up, we'll do it again. And if we get a nasty drop, we'll clear it out. But even back here, before the Model 3 news, put down your down payments, here we go. What did it do back here, even before the Model 3? This thing was at 194, 116, 264, 176, $70, $80 moves up and down. Oh man, look at these options. The SPY options are at $6 now, guys. Crap. As investment from Altria. All right, great. All right, hold on here. Hold on. Tesla, yeah. But UBS says Buy Alta? Of course they are. Yeah, buy Alta on the dip. Great. We're almost out of that one short, our short position. So let them buy it. If Alta goes up, we'll be shorting again. So Natalie, that's what it was. The C-Ron had investment from, oh God, see, more crap. What does that mean? What does that mean? They had an investment. Does that mean that guy's making a good move? God, $6. Natalie, did you catch those puts this morning? The SPYs? $1.13, $1.19. They're at $6 now. Yeehaw. Man. I got to talk more crap about that. And if you're not a member at StockBookie.com, please sign up today. All right. Oh, man. Nah, we're having fun. This was a great week for us. We killed it, guys. We've been covering shorts. Yeah, just keep an eye on these shorts, guys. Every time I'm talking to you guys doing this live stuff, I might be missing something. If you guys see something falling, let me know. I mean, I'm trying to keep an eye on everything. It's tough to do these live sessions. Look at this crap, though, guys. We're down 443. The SPY's down $4 again. Man, they're just beating this thing down, guys. 62 million on the day, and just rolling with this. All right, let's see. Twitter. Guys, if you're new to the room, punch up a symbol. Let me know what you're looking to do, long or short. If you're in a trade, long or short, or getting killed, let me know. This is what I'm here for, guys. Twitter, nothing to do. I mean, that same crap they did with everything else. Brought it up again, 200 MA, everything looks good. Until we get above $34 and even 35.67, this area here. You know, it was just a bounce off the lows right here. And then right into this big trend line that was coming off of this here. And then really it's down sideways, guys, just chopping around. You do have a little bit of an inverse head and shoulder here. But if you don't crack above this and start making a move, that inverse head and shoulder is going to fail. You're going to go right back down to 26 and start filling gaps. So watch out for this, guys. It looked like it was going to come out, failed. Looks like it was trying again. It looks like it's going to fail again. They must have got some news today or something to get this thing in the green. But then look on this chart, guys. Big head and shoulder the other way. This thing comes right back down, guys. Test this neckline. Twitter's going back to $14, guys. I'm in a tricky situation having to take my 5-year-old to school. That's okay. Kids come first before anything. Period. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, especially that trade, Natalie. I mean, that's tough. If you would have put just an advanced order in, I know it was a last minute, but it did come back and do it again. It did come back. That we did them at 113. We covered half, came right back down. We did it again, covered half again, and that's when it took off. So even if you do that, small position though. Yeah, that sucks. I hear you. That's you know what? There'll be plays in the day. We'll get one of these. We're in a confirming downtrend right now, guys. So just be aware of that. All right. Altria bought 1 billion stake in C-Ron. Okay, great. Again, guys, you know what though? I'm not bashing anybody here, but what does that exactly mean other than they took a position in that stock? Does that mean it's going to go up? Does it mean it's going to go down? Well, what does it exactly mean though? That's why, at least, or even Buffett. What does that mean if he bought Apple? He bought Goldman Sachs before the 2007 crash at like whatever the price was. He was adding more at $40. He was trying to save everything. Let's look at GS. The guy's look at that. What are we talking about? 170, guys. Look at that. Almost there. If you guys been watching my videos, look at that gap fill. Almost there, guys. Damn, we should have just took this one short and just been done with it. But let's go back to 2008, guys. He was going long in Goldman Sachs right here, 230, 180. Then he bought more down here when it was like $40. Yeah, $50. I think it was maybe 60. It's Warren Buffett, guys. He doesn't give a shit. So what did that mean when Buffett bought at 160, 280, or 230, 200? What did that mean when he was buying up here? It meant nothing. Because it went down to $50. What did it mean when Warren Buffett bought Apple up here at 180, 200, whatever he was doing, or Tepper, or any of these guys buying it? Look where Apple's at now, 170. What does that mean though? Does that mean you should buy it? Hell no. He's a billionaire. He could buy more here, buy more at 140, buy more at 100, and then so on and so forth. He could buy more at double bottom at $893. That's the difference between him and us. I have a little bit bigger of an account. I could do a little bit more, but I know if I'm going into Apple and I'm trying to go long here, and I got $20,000, I'm going to start with $5,000 right here, maybe even a little less. But I know at 160, I'll add more, $5,000 more. At 150, I'll add 5,000 more. And maybe at 141, at the weekly 200, I'll add the next 500 or $5,000 worth. So we're in at 170, 160, 150, 140. Now my average price is around 160. Still a little bit upside down, or 155, let's say. So a little bit upside down, but at least I'm averaging in. Or in this case, if you got the maybe 25,000, you have one more $5,000, little bit that buys some more. That's how you have to play these markets right now. You just don't pop in. These options are 620 now, guys. 620. They say, oh, it's a cannabis company. Is that what that is? See, Ron? Oh, is Tilray up? Right? Where's? Oh, I think I did see that news. Now that you mentioned that, I have some friends out here in Arizona that are heavily into the marijuana industry. Yeah, look at that. Tilray is up today. Tesla. What else is up? Toll. Thor. Did they have earnings? Remember Thor? But it's Thor. USO's up. That's funny. They're cutting production. They are. They really are. Workday, though, guys. We're getting worked today. Workday's getting worked. Coming in, baby. All right. So let's see here. Tesla, UBS, Twitter, C-Ron. Yeah, but what does that mean? That's great. They're investing in it. Alta and Lulu new lows. Alta's still going lower. All right, guys. I got to keep an eye on this one here. Where are we? 259. Did they bounce? Damn, I got to keep an eye on this stuff. Yeah, I think we go a little bit more on this one, but still great fall on that one, guys. Loving it. Loving it. Lulu coming in real nice. Doing analysis on the TVIX. Tell us what you think about possible upcoming. I don't follow the TVIX. I don't the VXX. What Michael? What would that tell me though? I follow the SPY, the IWM, the Qs. TVIX is a skewed instrument. It doesn't tell you anything really, to be quite honest with you, in my opinion at least. Just like the VXX. If the markets are doing nothing, the VXX goes to zero. It depletes or decays like an option. So to do the TVIX, madon, that's not even, up and coming volatility. We've been getting volatility. I mean, look at where the market's going. To follow the TVIX for moves, nah, you got to follow the SPY. We've been calling this right to the right. If you're following the TVIX, hey, if you can follow the TVIX, Michael, and do a good job with that, great. I'm following this channel. Every time it comes to this channel, I'm shorting. Every time it comes to this bottom, I'm going to have to look. This is the time. We hit this thing 3 times down here. 4th time, does it come crashing through? Possibly. I'm waiting for 250. 250, I'll possibly go long. The TVIX, I don't even know if I could pull that thing up. I mean, it's chopping around, same thing, but I can't, I mean, we're back above the 200 MA daily on a daily chart. Yeah, I mean, if you crack 55 and get past 61, yeah, then this thing's going to fly. Just like it did back here. Look at that, 150. Damn, that was freaking nuts back there. But yeah, until it gets above here, I can't follow this instrument. It's a skewed instrument. I got to follow the main indexes or even the SPX. That's what I follow. But yeah, it's just tough. It's just tough to do it on the VIX or the VXX, the TVIX, all that stuff. I bought Lottos for 6 cents. They're 77 cents now. Nice. SPY puts. I'm in a tricky situation. Okay, yeah, you're fine. Yeah, take care of your kids first, Natalie. That's number 1. Try to advance order. SPY call 2 weeks out. I need to join your room. Yeah, there you go. Come on in. Z John? I'm not sure what that means, bud. I became a member after February debacle. Technicals was missing in my trading. Thanks, StockBookie. Yeah, no problem, bud. Very informative video on my break. Thanks, John. Have a good, have to go back to fixing computers. Have a great week. Yeah, GT, have a good one, bud. Altria owns Marlboro and helped. Yeah, you know, that's what, you know what? I've been talking to about my buddies, with my buddies out here in Arizona. And we're saying that, you know, Philip Morris, all the big tobacco companies are going to come in and start buying, buying this stuff. You're not in there, Max? Z stock? Oh, for Zillow? Oh, Zillow. Okay. I was like, Z John. I was like, Z John. What do you mean? What do you mean, Michael? Yeah, hold on. I'll look at that. Max, send me an email. Did you follow me at StockBookie? I think you're in there, bud. Hold on. Is your name... Are you Max from Paris? Is that you, Max? Let me know. I think you are. If not, I let the wrong person in. I'm going to have to... MDaddy73. Is that you, bud? Let me know. Or send me an email if you don't want to, if you don't want to talk on here live. Don't be shy. All right, hold on, guys. All right, let's see here. What else? Z. Let's look at Z. Got a nice bounce. Eugene, you never sent me anything with the your Twitter handle and all that stuff. You got to send me an email. Let me Eugene, what's your Twitter feed? What's your username? And then you got to go follow me at StockBookie. Max too. Max, was that you? Yeah, you're in then, bud. If that was you, if you're Max from Paris, I'm Daddy 73. You're in, bud. All right, then it looks like, yeah, someone just followed me here. Yep, Eugene. All right, Eugene. Yeah, buddy, I sent that email out to you yesterday. All right, okay, there you go. You gotta let me know, because I got people that want to get in here, and I got to make sure you guys are paying. All right, Eugene, you're in, bud. Yeah, Max, you should be in, buddy. 86. Yeah, you're in. Eugene, you're in now. Ah, damn it, you guys missed those trades this morning. Damn. The options now are at, yeah, still $6. 637 they went off at. All right, yeah, so you guys are in. Cool. Yeah, watch that video too, the new members video. I made the move on MDB yesterday. All right, hold on. Is it a chat or just alerts? No, it's chat, Carmela. Or I mean alerts. That's my Twitter feed. All my trades are on there. So like, for instance, I took the trade today. And I'm trying to post as fast as I can, guys. It's only me here. Excuse me, guys. Damn, just can't knock this cold. My kids are still sick, and I gotta get some rest this weekend. All right, let's go. We're gonna go over the Z in a minute here, guys. I got a couple members I got to get back into the room. If you're not a member, sign up. $30 a month, guys. It's not going to kill you. And here's, let's see here. So Carmela, here's my Twitter feed. So to this morning here, we bought puts December 7th, 271 at 113. They're at 618 right now. And then when it went up, we sold half at 156. Carmela, we go back a little ways, so she knows how I trade. So got half on. I'm like, I'm taking profits. It went back down, so it gave us two opportunities. 119. Sold half at 166. So even with these two trades right here, we're up pretty big right there. So now see if we could get more downside move. We have support at 270 and 269. Okay. Those areas gave out. So bam, we go. Sold half of the half, 225 now. So for 100%. Now I'm only holding a quarter position. We got rid of that at 305. These things are at $6 right now, guys. And then I'm writing down here. This is for my members. You know, SPY puts are $5 now, member. Now remember, when I sell, you hold, you know, blah, blah, blah. I was just kidding around. Because every time I seem to sell or cover something, everything goes lower. It drives me nuts. But that's just the way it is. But even though, you know, we were covering Alta today, and there was another one I put on there. Oh, there you go. So I put on there, you know, the SPY puts are at 335 now. Protect it. Don't be a greedy little pig. So, and of course they go to $6. But you know what? It was a good trade. What do you want me to do? And I just hope some people, you know, took it. So that would have paid for a year, guys. A year with the StockBookie. Got to plug my stuff, guys. All right, cool. Yeah, so we got 2 new members. Welcome them, Max and Eugene. What's up, guys? Man, killing it, guys. Killing it. Covering shorts like it was no tomorrow. All right, yeah, so no chat. All right. Or email me so I have your email, Carmela. It's stockbookie@gmail.com. I should have it, but just do it. So just I have it. Thanks, John. I got a newborn. I've been missing a lot. Yeah. You know what, Eugene? That's fine. Watch my videos, study them, learn what I'm looking at, and then eventually, unfortunately, you won't need me anymore, and then you could do your own stuff. Yeah, power naps, exactly. Take a power nap right before the market opens up. You've emailed me many times, sir. Have I? I don't know. Just send me an email. Damn it. Yeah, but it's been a while since we've talked. So, yeah, all good. Thanks. Yeah. All right, guys, if you're new to the room, let's punch up some stuff. I'm going to stay here for about another 45 minutes. My kids get out early today. And like Natalie, my kids are priority as well. I mean, this is a big priority for me as well. But hey, I got to take some time off. I don't know. I think we're going to go do a little bit of go-kart racing today. Admit it, I don't know, Ethan. I don't know what the F I'm doing. Abe, don't worry, bud. Are you a member too, Abe? I think so. Paul, he's a new member. Just about to say that. Followed your SPY puts and enough to pay. Yeah, did you get that one? Now, you know what, Paul? It's not a matter of being cheap. I want to be a service where, look at Netflix, guys. It's $10 a month or whatever it is. They got millions and millions of subscribers for $10 a month. If they start raising that, people are going to be like, it's okay. But, you know, my thing is, guys, I want to keep it inexpensive to bring even people with small accounts on, because it's not for $30 a month. It's not going to kill you. If you got that one good trade yesterday or today on the SPYs, you rocked it. We took all those SPY puts last week. Yeah, we were getting murdered on a couple of those. They all came in, guys, big time. So there were 7 trades between the IWM, the Qs, the SPY, the DIA. 7 trades since last week. All winners, most of them for 100%. If you guys took any of those and held on for dear life with some of them, because we were in the DIA one, or the DIA one, we bought at $110. Those options, they actually went to $330 yesterday, and they're probably even high. Oh no, this markets went up. We sold, unfortunately, I think we took 100% on those. But stuff like that, I don't care, guys. Yeah, 220 we sold those at, and they went to 330. But that one trade there, guys, I think it went to 20 cents. And it was like, but it's only $110. When we took these trades, I posted out there, if you take these trades, take small positions, blah, my routine, because I want to, when we go into stuff like this, these are high-risk trades going against the grain, and that was a news play. And the news was bullshit over the weekend, and they popped the markets. If they didn't pop that market on Monday, oh my gosh, those trades would have been coming in like no tomorrow. But yeah, so it's just one of those things. Yeah, Paul, that was great. MDB coming in. All right, well, let's go. Let's look at Zillow. Yeah, Zillow, you had a nice pop off this double bottom. We looked at this one a little while back. It's a beat down name, so everyone's trying to get into buying the dip here. This was the big area around 3120. We bounced up, but man, we're a little bit stretched from the 20, so it could go a little bit higher. But if this thing starts to turn around, starts coming in, it's going right back down, guys. It's got to hold $35 or so. If it doesn't hold 35, then you're looking at 32, 67, 30, and then right back to double bottom. So be real careful with these short-term bounces. This was kind of a dead cat bounce coming off these lows. Little bit bullish base here. It's got to get back above the 50 and start rolling. And you're looking at gap fill up here, then 42.88. If you're in this thing long from down in here, take half profits, lock them in. This bullish base sets it off and up into this area, and you kind of got to get the hell out. Could go to 50 though, maybe. But I mean, from 26 to 36, that's a $10 trade on a $26 stock. I'd have been done with this one a long time ago. So really, for me, nothing to do. You're just getting a bounce here. I'm picking on the one stocks that are at highs in markets like this. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, he's even had desk, right? I told you guys, though, that's going to take a little time. Hey, we're getting a market. We're getting an uptick. Buy programs coming in, guys. Look at all the indexes right now, all going up. That's called a buy program, manufactured from Uncle Jerome, most likely. And then you're coming into lows too, so you probably get a little bit of short squeezing into the weekend. So shorts covering, saying, you know what, I'm done. Dow's down 400, taking profits. But yeah, you get and what time is it? Lunchtime on Wall Street. Another perfect time. All right, let's see. Trading 2 years, modest gains, down 12,500 in the past month. Ooh, Abe. It's okay, man. Slow and steady, buddy. Slow and steady. I'm new too. Been shorting Twitter since last week. It didn't break 30. Lost a lot. Twitter. You're shorting Twitter. The Twitter short would have been right here, guys. You got gap fill. You got double top. And it even went past this trend line, came back in. But, for me, I mean, you're at 35. This thing pulls back to 30. That's a $5 trade on a $35 stock. This should be done. Right back, coming back up here, this is where you short again. Because look what's happening. We made a high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Still an okay base here, but there's really no direction to do anything on this stock, to be quite honest with you. Other than this area here, because we were short Twitter. Where do we short Twitter? It's been a little while, I believe. Let me look. Gosh, I think it was sooner than that. Feels like we just got out of a Twitter trade. I don't even know, guys. I got so many trades out there. I don't even know anymore. I mean, I do, but it's just like, holy crap. Yeah, we might. When was this? 6-1. I think that's when we shorted it. I was gonna say it's got to be around there. 6 or in July on those bounces. Let's see. Sorry, guys. Give me a second here. But yeah, you got to wait for stocks just to go short because you feel like something's going down. You guys got to go slow and steady here. Yeah, so we shorted calls on Twitter. I know we shorted shares somewhere here. Maybe not. I know we did it one of these days. Where the hell is the trade? But anyways, I thought we had it at least. Maybe it was a day trade because I don't put a lot of the day trades on my position sheet. Sometimes I'll do if they're really, really good. But I thought we had a Twitter trade. I'm trying to see which short shares. Maybe not. I guess not. I thought we did though, and it would have been right here too, but apparently not. I'm looking. I don't see anything. We lost on a trade with short calls. But I thought we were in this thing again. And so we had a loser on Twitter with short calls. We had a winner on short calls. But I thought we had shares too. Short calls. We had the loser. Let's see. But anyways, guys, you get the extent of it. This is where you would have been short in Twitter right up in here and then pull back. Right now, we're down sideways. You know, if you're still short Twitter, it's not a bad trade. You just need the markets to go down with it. That will help the trade tremendously. So it didn't break 30, lost a lot. Yeah, and Arvind, go small, guys. If you have a $100,000 account, the biggest position you should be in is 5 to 10 grand right now, 10% of your total portfolio. Period. Inexpensive, yeah. You know, that's why I charge $30, guys. Anyone can afford that. Hats off to you, sir. Thanks, Paul. Yeah, you caught that one. That was great. And just look at my my position sheet. Go to my website. Look on the position sheet. Look for stocks that I'm short in, because some of them, I think a couple I might be upside down in, like AutoZone. You're not short AutoZone, Paul? Short AutoZone right now. Okay, you'll get a better position at better price than me. This is a monthly chart play, though, for the new members. You're not short AutoZone, short it. Puts are tough. Puts, you got to go out 3-4 months. Shares, do it right now. Price target around 675. We get 80 bucks out of this, 90 bucks, I'll be out. I'll be out at 760, not even close to. I'll be out if we get to 700 and 720, I'll be done. This trade will be over. Even 760. Actually, no. I was going to say, if you got it here, my average price, unfortunately. And again, guys, I'm not perfect. Sometimes I miss trades, but this one I know. No more than 10%. It's a high flyer. We go into earnings with this play. You got to be careful. You just don't blow your load in one shot. You know, you got to go slow on these guys. That's it. You know, you go into these trades, you can't, all right, I'm going to, Bookie said it. He had 10 in a row winners. I'm going all in. You can't do that. Gold's going pretty good today, though, too, guys. The gold is looking good. We'll see on that one, though. Every time it seems to pop, it comes right back in. And it's like, damn, USOB. So yeah, so you got to watch out for this stuff, guys. You got to go slow and steady on these. And then you have to just, you know, just do it. Go small in AutoZone. It could, yeah. It went up on earnings, and we knew it. I'm at my desk now. Let me see if I can give a couple more. Yeah, the GCG, we're not doing anything. Well, we'll look at that one. Hats off to you. Lunchtime float. Yep, lunchtime float, baby. Right, perfect time, like every day. Volume disappears, and up we go. Should even Autodesk slowly turning over. Yes, it's slowly. You know, it's going to bounce up and down. I wish it would just come right back in. You got in the SPY. I was looking at the SPY December 280 puts. They went from 222 to 350. Yeah. Yeah, any of those puts. I went in the money because the price was 270. So that's why I went to 271s or whatever it was. I'm at my desk. All right, yep. Eugene, CGC. Yeah, you know, CGC, a lot of people were wanting to go long in this one. And I want to see a little bit lower on this one. And these are driven with news. You know, I wish we would have came and filled this gap here. Holding this base pretty good. They had to get some news to get it up because this thing was about to crack down and go lower. But it's a weak stock right now. Unless they get some news, I'd stay away from it. You know, everyone was asking here, and do we go long? I was like, let it come back. Let it come back and look. Kind of like GE. Just let it come back. Yeah, nothing to do on this one. If we do go lower, watch for like the 25, 24 area. You got a gap fill. You got the pivot before we broke out. Made the high, came right back. Look at that. Nice retrace almost 100% to this low. Pretty sick. Everyone got, you know where everyone's at. They all bought up here. Sitting in this thing now. But you know what? This isn't a marijuana play. I think down the road you'd be all right. But, man, if you could get it a little bit cheaper, let's buy it cheaper. All right, let's see here. Go small and all. Yeah, go small. Remember, $10,000 if you have a $100,000 account. 10,000 in AutoZone. And I would start with right here. I'd probably go a half position. I like the chart setup. And then make sure you got that half position left at 2,500 to 2,500. Marking going up now. Yeah, you're catching a bid. Let's look at the SPY. SPY. Yeah, see what you're catching there? Let's see. Let's go. You know what? Let's open it up on here. Let's go to the 60-minute time frame. God, look at that. Right back up, right back down. Jeez. All right, so we're going to take this off. This is the fib from the bigger, low, and the high. I want to take a more short-term low and high fib just to see where I think we're in. Let's see here. So I'm going to take it from the last low. All right, let's see if we can do this again. Good thing I paid 190 from my charts because they seem to be working really well today. There it goes. All right, let's go. All right, it's working really well today. All right, let's try that again. All right, it's going to work there, but it's not going to do it again here. Yeah, something. What the frick? All right, let's try it. Nope. All right, that's awesome. Oh, my gosh. All right, let's get out of this one here. Go to CGC, and let's come back to the SPY. Now let's try it again. Oh, my gosh. All right, let's try this. Hey, there it is. All right, so, yep, look at that, 750 retracing this little pivot here. So when we went up here, we made a low little pivot, and that's when it took off. That's going to be support right around the 264.66 area. God, what a nice comeback. Look at that. Go fills the gap, gets a little higher. We get the puts, bam, right in there, right down. I wish they all worked that way, guys. It would be a hell of a lot easier for me. Everyone would be happy. They'd love me. They'd even pay me $50 a month. Maybe I'll just raise it to 50 then. Hey, Toyo Strike, should I go? I'll charge you 50. How's that? New members, I'll keep it 30. The old ones, I'm going to start bumping up. No, who knows? If I start doing live stuff and everything, maybe go to 50. But that's if I'm doing live stuff every day and private chat, stuff like that. Then I got to pay for GoToMeeting or something like that, get a better service than the live stuff. So live stuff, you know, what I'm going to tell you guys, watch all the advertising on my live stuff. Watch all the let everything play out so I get more money. I make like $10 a month on I'm getting $10 a month from my YouTube page. That's what they're paying me. Maybe $6 a month. Yeah. What's that, Mark? Easy Turbo, getting rich for my liking. All right. But yeah, AutoZone. Guys, if you're new to the room, punch up a symbol. We can take a look at it, long or short. I don't really care. I'm going to stick around for about another half hour or so. So if you got anything to ask it now. We've been killing it this week, guys. We had all those puts we got paid. We covered a ton of short positions this week. Covered some more today. Our auto desk is coming in finally. Our work day's coming in finally. And we're going to see what this thing does. O'Reilly's came in real nice. That one we're short. Covered half of that one. And now we're just looking for more stuff. Like today, I'd look for more green stocks. Let's see what's up today. What can we short? But everything's so beat down right now. Look at Thor, guys. Everyone was laughing at Thor. You're shorting Thor, man? Look at this. Look at this high flyer. Oh, man. Hit our target. Hit our second target. Almost hit our third target. Everyone laughed. You're shorting Thor. You're an idiot. Yeah. Idiot. SPY will probably retest the low of today, minimum. We're in a confirming downtrend, so we could definitely come right back in. We're at the lunchtime hour, like always, and what do? We float. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Yeah. Hold on. I want to see. IYT's coming in real good. What else here? Just look at USO, guys. Good thing we covered our short. Getting the bounce there at the 618. Not bad. I mean, I hope we go right back up and we'll do it again. Funny story with that one. I'll tell you guys sometime. we'll look at the SCO. But I took profits. Where? Look at that. So it was coming. SEO was going up. There's a trader that got in at 26. And God, he said, don't do it. Don't do it. Let this thing come back in. Do it again. And boom, right back down. Yeah, USO though, guys, be careful with that one. We did cover our short. That was another good trade for us. Let's see if we get the rebound, and let's see if we can do it again. I would love to go long in this one. I mean, we're not out of the woods yet. Look at this, down, sideways, chopping around underneath the 20. We did fill the gap or above that, but now why did we go up today, guys? Because of news. Then they're slowing production. The OPEC cartel, they really are. More news, guys. China trade's close. Uncle Jerome, we're looking at those interest rates now. Trump said. It's like, oh my gosh. Oh man, just guys. USO target 1350. I'm long for the dead cat. Yeah. You got to get above 1152 first. We did fill this gap here. If you can't get above the 50 MA, it could be a real short-lived bounce. Then the weekly, the weekly's looking even better. The weekly, we could bounce up, but man, if these markets go down, this thing's going to click and come right back in. We were short right in here from around 15 bucks. Yeah, baby. Pull it off. Everyone was long. We were short. Oh, donkey boy. Stop sending me emails. Oh my gosh, guy's out of control. I'm gonna have to just block him. I can't even. I can't even make fun of the guy anymore. I really just can't even. Dude, your timing on all your shit sucked today. And then he watches my live videos. Keep watching, donkey. You might actually learn something. CSX, John, tough finding short. Yeah, it's real tough right now, guys. Yeah, Carmela, still sending me emails. I just send them just smart-ass remarks. It's like, oh my God. I don't know why. Because I guess just stop responding. It's just so funny. I send them pictures of clowns and spin the donkey wheel and all that stuff, and it's just funny. No, he says I'm the worst trader out there. Massively losing all year. Massively losing all year. It's like, wow. I told him today, I said, dude, you're following the wrong guy then. But whatever, you know what? It's just fun. It's other than the normal grind, every day. It's funny because I get these stupid emails. I'm coming to get you, StockBookie. This is it for you. It's the end of everything. And I was like, all right, dude, that's the end for me. Then yeah, it's just stupid at this point. But CSX. Yeah, see, nothing there. Yeah, you got to really dig around now for stuff. But everything, guys, was flipping, flying. At one point, you're looking at the mine. Even this one's not bad, 60 bucks. You look at everything. CVX, flying. CW, fly. Look at another high flyer. DAL, another high flyer. Gosh, if you guys had took these trades, we talked. I would have liked to seen a little bit more, but if anybody I know someone took this trade. Harris, are you in this one? Start pulling some off. I know so. I got the email. Harris, if you're in this one, start protecting it, buddy. Great trade. But we talked. What did this one do, guys? Like all the other ones, upsloping trend line, breaks above, gets above this trend line, gets everybody on board, and then slap it down. SPY dropping like a boulder? Come on, Carmela, not yet. How do we prep for eventual bounce? Surely there will be a big one before the end of the year. I don't know, Natalie. SPY, if we get to 250, maybe 252 area, maybe get the bounce. But when on a monthly chart, we're following. Natalie, you remember, we're following the weekly charts on these. Look at that. It's exactly doing what I said it was going to do. But, if this 260 area doesn't hold, we're going here. I still think we go to 234. But here we might get a bounce to 253. We'll see. I'm not going long yet. Nothing yet. What about Netflix Daily? I've closed half my puts, but chart seems likely to break down. Let's look, man. You got to think, Max. We're trading with the markets now. SPY goes down. All these are going lower. Yeah, big area for Netflix right now, guys, is this low bar from yesterday. 267.08. If that holds, then we could possibly go higher. If this closes below that, we're most likely going to double bottom. You closed out half, perfect. That's what I love to see. Now you're in the driver's seat, so just ride them. If the markets keep selling off, Netflix is going to go to 250 and then lower. So hold on to them, Max, right now. But if we get a big green day on Monday, just trim them off. If you have 10 options, go to 5. If you get another nice little dip, go to 2, and then hold to 2. It's not worth opening up to a big gap up one day and you're getting hammered on those. I mean, now you're in the driver's seat on those, so just let them go. But Natalie, going back to the SPY, how do you prepare for the eventual bounce? I'll let you guys know. How about that? When the time comes, again, watch the SPY videos, Natalie. I'm going to do the weekly update tonight. So when you go as a member, go there, check it out, and really watch it, really study it, write down the numbers. I'm going to the site and I'm only seeing, a handful of people watching the videos. You got to watch them, guys, to learn. You guys are members. You're paying the $30 a month. And when only, 30 people out of 118 are watching them, you got to learn. I don't care what you do, but if you want to learn how to trade technically, at least get some support and resistance levels, you got to watch the nightly videos. I have a book, guys. Every day I write down numbers. Every day I write down my trades, what I did, how I did it. Like today, I'm going to write a note. Took it off gap fill, the SPY. Bought puts, had a real good gain. Out the door, I take notes on what's going on in the markets. Volume, I follow the volume every day. Just stuff like that. So, yeah, I mean, you got to watch the videos, guys. That's why I make them. I'm going to start posting more on YouTube if you guys don't start watching them. No, I'll always do the SPY and everything for my members. But, yeah, you got to watch the videos. But, yeah, Max, great job on the Netflix. Look at that. Straight up, right into great resistance, right back down. What's this one doing, guys? God, they're all downtrending now. Made the high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower. And this one, this area breaks down. We're going to gap fill at 227. So then, yeah, I'm going to put a little, someone mentioned this, donation box. So all you guys aren't members, you guys could go donate so I could keep doing these live sessions. Someone gave me I forgot, like tip jar or something like that. I don't know. If you don't want to be a member, at least throw me a tip. Something like that. No, again, guys, I love doing live streams. I love meeting people, helping them out. EEM. Yeah, if you're new to the room, punch up a symbol. Let's start getting into some of these. I got a couple minutes left here, guys, with you. Right now, nothing really to do with this one here. You're in the middle of the retrace, bouncing. You're at the 50% retrace from the high to the low. So this thing could go either way. Here would have been the area to short it, double top, and then even this little pivot here, around $50. You would have been out already, $10 on a $50 trade done. I guess if you retrace again, short it again, if this thing comes down, we'll be looking for bounce areas. Bounce area on this one, probably right around here. It's not bad. But if the markets are dumping, you're probably going to 27.74 double bottom. So be careful about that one. Hey, what's up, buddy? How's it going? How about Apple? Yeah, no problem with that one. Yeah, Netflix. Good trading it, Max. I love that. Love when people are making money. How about Apple? Let's see. Yeah, Apple, guys. We talked about this one earlier. If it cracks those lows at 170, it's going down. And the markets, look at the markets, guys, coming in again. I might have to go get my kids and come back and do another session here. Gap fill for Apple's 169 right here. If that breaks, we're going to 160. And this is usually where it breaks, guys. We get this, we get the retrace right back down to the lows. Lets the market start catching a bid. Apple's going lower, guys. If we close below this gap fill, tighten those stops. So just be careful with Apple right now, guys. Okay. AMD, we already went over AMD. We covered half of the half. We're only in a quarter position now short. Holding this area. Markets come in, it's going lower. I think we still could go to $18 and then 16. And then with this gap up and then slap back, and markets start to sell, it's going lower. So nothing to do here, guys. We were short from this pop. We're in a quarter position now. We're in the driver's seat, so it doesn't really matter for us. Don't try to go long or short. You're in the middle of the range. You're setting up to go lower. This was the place to short period. The short here, you could, but my position's almost done. So if you want to give it a shot, you can. But for me, it's my trade's almost over. Here we go, guys. SPY puts are back to 6. Damn. AMD, Lulu, where's that headed? Lower. Nah. Lulu's done. I mean, it's time. Look at that. You're starting to crack that pivot. You're going here to gap window, then you're going to fill this gap. If the market's dump, you're going lower. I think Lulu could be monthly chart, time frame, price targets, $95. And if the market's really give it up, you're going to 75. I talked about this. If we popped yesterday, we would have went short. Just didn't make it. Gosh, it freaking 2 minutes after the market closed, I was gonna do puts, and I just didn't post it. I didn't take the trade. Kind of pissed me off, but oh well. What are you gonna do? Yeah, just be careful with everything right now, guys. The markets continue to dump. It's all going lower. I don't care what stock it is. Doesn't matter. See how the markets start pulling back, guys? Tesla's even coming back. Tesla, the boring company. Boring as in boring holes in the ground. They're part of that now. See, Elon's smart, though. Now he's talking more shit about the boring company, and the Tesla's going up. It's like, huh? The hell is that? Put on Apple? Nah. The Apple, all the puts would have been done here, guys. See, that's why everyone's rejoicing right here on this pop-up day. You know what StockBookie and all his members were doing? We were adding a ton of shorts to our positions. We're adding to our positions. On that day, when the SPY popped up, right here, was that 12.3? So at 12.3, I don't know if we added new positions, but we did a hell of a lot of new ones. Yeah, okay, we did 12.3. We added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions on 12.3. 7 positions. Trying to see, and all the other ones that we added more, like adding half, actually I would have to look, but 7 positions we added on this day. We wish we would have bought more puts. That was my dickhead move. Damn it. You know, we had puts here, and this one here, I wanted to see if we'd go up a little further up into here. So I was kind of like, ugh, but instead it was like, all right, hold on. So Goose we did Deer. We already covered those trades. We're done. We covered half of ILMN, EL, covered half of Mealy, and covered most of AMD. Those were the 7 trades. And then we had LLY too. That we're still in. But that one's coming in too eventually. LLY. Actually, we're in the money up on that one pretty, a couple bucks. We're in the driver's seat now, but that one's another one that just keeps holding. It's LLY. Kind of like Mealy. It's Mealy. It should be at least $1,000 stock. It's Mealy. Yeah, Mealy. M-E-L-I. Mealy. Okay. But sir, it already ran 400%. Yeah, but it's Mealy. It should go higher. That's just yeah. Let's look at the Mealy. We shorted this one a bunch. I mean, look at this one. Same crap. Boeing short. Same thing. Like, just still a downtrend. And then, just another one. And then look at the monthly. Same shit, different stock. When it was up here, it was flying. Now it's not flying too much. 313 is the first area, 280. And then I think we could get down to 215, 220. All right, let's go back. Let's see. Lulu, I guess got Apple target 150. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thanks. I've expected Siri to drop, but it's taking forever. It's strong. Is that Sirius Satellite? Yeah, I don't trade this one at all. Yeah, this one doesn't move that much. Let's see what the month. Yeah, even the monthly. You're right. You're right there. You're right at target. I mean, if the 610 area gives out, you probably do 550. But yeah, this one's not even. Yeah, I mean, you're down, you're sideways, you're holding. Yeah, this one just doesn't really do anything. You're better off in some other ones. Michael. Yeah, I mean, you're running into this double top and great resistance up here. It's just a slow mover. I'd rather pick on the ones like the apples. Well, now everything's come back in pretty good, so now it's tough to short a lot of these things. So we would wait for put on Apple to get back to 174. Yeah, you want to do that. Yeah, you got to wait for a pop now, guys. Everything dropped. I mean, we could drop lower, but the wild card for me, guys, is the holiday season. The volume can dry up, and we could just float into Christmas. Okay, and that's what's kind of like. You know what? I got puts out there, not puts. Short shares, a lot of positions. I covered a lot of them in the last couple of days, and now I'm just taking it easy. I'm going to wait for the retrace, just like we did on the SPY. SPY's retracing every time. Go retrace is short. Retrace is short. Retrace is short until this pattern stops. If we do close lower, guys, below this trend line here, we could be in some trouble next week. Yeah, I love the charts. I love it when you pay for them, and then you get this bullshit. Okay, all I want to do is put a line in here. That's it. It's not that much. It's not that much to ask. But yeah, I mean, it goes right back up and right back down. Now you're in a weak position. Everyone was rejoicing here. Oh, you know how many longs are stuck again and again and again? Every up move they're chasing, and it slams, they sell. Up move, buy. Slam, they sell. Up move, they're buying again. This is it. This is the big one. Head and shoulder pattern. Inverse head and shoulder about to play out. Let's see. Until we get back above this line and start ripping, I don't think it's going to. And the only reason we popped up on here, we talked about this huge resistance, me and the members. And I said to them, the only way they're getting it up above this on news. And what happened? Pop. And I knew that day, and I should have put more out there. I just don't want, we had 6 positions in the indexes. I didn't want to add too much more, but that was the day. We missed it by a day. I mean, we still got paid on them. And today we got paid on the put position on this one, but man, oh man, unbelievable. Missed it by a day. And these would have been up 500% on this day. Instead, we got 100%ers. Still take them, but my gosh. Yeah, I don't follow that stock. I traded that one 20 years ago with Howard Stern when he became a host or whatever. That was it. Yeah, so wait for the puts. I mean, you could do it maybe, but then you got to hope for the markets to fall apart. Like if you want to buy a put in something, maybe Tesla. But even that's a tough one. I told my members you got to short with shares with that one. Puts, they can hold this thing up for 3 weeks and demolish you. But if you go puts maybe 3 months out on Tesla, I think that's a little too far. But, for me, that would be my move. I mean, I wouldn't buy puts in Tesla, maybe for a day trade like we do on the SPY. XLNX. XLNX. I think we talked about this one. Yeah, it went up a little bit more. We were talking about 100 on this one. Let me see. Let me go back to the weekly. Yeah, no, the double top, I think it is. Yeah, right there. Never made it, guys. There's your monthly. Almost, though. Did anybody catch this? Look at that. Did get the 95, though. Did anybody catch this one? We did talk about it. We were waiting for the 9,800 area, and look at that. See, a lot of times that's where all the technical guys like me are waiting, and then the market makers, they just won't. They see all the bids out here ready to short this thing, and then they just bring it early. The reason why they do that, guys, the weak technical guy is like, oh, shit, I'm not getting my area. Then they start chasing this thing down. And then next week we'll pop up and we'll hit that area. So that's what we're going to kind of wait for. If we don't get it, we don't get it. Price target on this one's about $72. Yeah, no, that's a good one, bud. That's a great. We looked at this one right here. I told everybody, if you want to get interested, you can. Just make sure you have some left for 95 and 100. And this was right when it was $90, $91. And God, look at that. Hit 95 and 8. How much? $7 down? $6 down? Hey. These are the trades you look. $72 is the target, then 58. So if this thing gets another retrace, guys, all you guys watching right now, send me an email. Say, hey, dum-dum, this thing's retracing. You know what? I got to put this one on my ticker here. Hold on, guys. XLNX. Yeah, I like that one. That one's flying, too. But yeah, that might be it. That might be the end of the road right here. Who knows? Markets come in. This thing's gonna fall like a brick. So just be careful. Look at pouring eight. Yeah, AE. We're AE. Look at that. Right back up. That's a good one too. We're trying to be picky with these. $60 is the target. I wanted a little. We're getting there now. A little bit more. Then maybe we can hop in that one. And we got, I'm short this one already, guys. My members know it. I'm waiting for it, one more pop. We got a little bit pop today, but that's okay. I'd rather see 72, 70, 72.50 I like. I mean, I'm splitting hairs. I don't want to add more. I'm in at 69.31, okay, down in here when it hit the trend line. But I want, I'm not adding more unless it goes up. I'm in a decent sized position right now. But if it goes up a little bit more, then I'll do it again. If it doesn't, then I'll be in something in this one. Okay. So that's another one. Yeah. So we're short that one already. Poor. I don't think we've looked at this one. Let's see. Another high flyer, maybe. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh, we did look at this one. We're looking at this one like Coca-Cola, like Dow. I want to see if it could go up to this trend line here. And it usually has been. I mean, we're right here knocking at the gate. I don't know if it's going to make it, but, if you want to give this one a shot, know that it could possibly go to 53. So save some in the tank. So if you bought it here at 50, some at 53, your average price would be 51.50 or so. Price target's 45. That's why I'm waiting on this one a little bit more. It's only $5 from the level. I'd like to see it $8 and then the drop. Added another quarter position. All right, that's fine. Just for slow and steady. You know how I roll. I think Alex is rugged. Loop. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, I want to see a little bit higher on that one. So watch this one here. You know what? I'm going to put that one on my radar too. And I got all you guys. You got time. All right, IWM's at the low of the day, guys. Be very careful in these markets. GE, we went over that earlier. GE, not yet. I know everyone's getting antsy with that one. AAL dropped deep on bad news, bounce back next week. All right, hold on. Let's look at Loop. Okay, all right. Thanks, Leo. Yeah, if you see something, send me an email, stockbookie@gmail.com. Loop, nah, nothing to do here. Look at that high flyer, though, guys. Look at that high flyer. 18. Target was around 10. Look at that, right to it. Damn. Who put that loop up there? Michael, where were you about a year ago? Look at that double top, lights out. Nothing to do here. I know, I see what you're trying to do. Bottom feeding. This thing got the shit kicked out of it. Markets go lower. These are all going lower. So until the market could support the SPY and the IWM, I'm not really going long in anything. We're long gold right now. Gold. That one's going today. And we're long JCP and Tilray. That one's an option play on news. We might get something on that one. Most likely they'll go to zero. Oh, well. And everybody I knew who got in that trade, that's what I told everybody. All right, hold on here. Loop, AAL. Did they have bad news? Is that why all the wow, look at that. Look at this though, guys. 750 retrace. I think we were waiting for the 200 MA. Perfect hit, lights out. Is that why UAL's down? Yeah, look at that. Finally. There is a God. So yeah, first target, but still, just like everything UAL, my target's $64. First target will be 87, then 76 and 64. I'm upside down in this trade, but it's time will come like the rest of them. Bad. Okay. Yeah, you're okay. Yeah, I like a little bit higher, but I think it'd be all right. AUDFF? I don't even know what that is. AUDFF? Is that even a stock? I don't get that one. Oh, AUDFF. AUD. What is it? VF. I don't even know what this. Will it come up? Oh, yeah, I have no idea. Zero volume today. Stay the hell away. I'm not even going to look at that one. GE. Yeah, GE. We talked about like $6, $5. I mean, right here's the first big line, guys. I mean, if you want to step up, you can. But we've been holding tight on this one, and it's going down to the levels. That was our first level there, right around 726 monthly. Here's the low pivot right here at 582, or around 571 actually. Let's put that right where it needs to be, about 560 or so. And somewhere I'd even say if it starts in the $6 area, that's when you start getting interested. Again, though, markets go lower. This could hit 5. So that's why I'm just going to wait until it gets to 5. 6 maybe, then we'll go from there. Let's see here. That one. Microsoft. Microsoft, same crap. 92 price target. Getting everybody in here on the monthly chart. It's coming to 92, then 68. This thing should have never, ever been up here. Ever. Bullshit run. Everyone's getting sucked in here. Microsoft. It's the most expensive company ever. It even passed Apple, which gives you more hype. I'm buying the stock. It passed Apple. Next thing you know, it's 92, then 68. If you're long in this one, just tighten the stop. Don't turn a great trade into a turd. For me, nothing really to do on this one. I mean, same thing. See how the SPY's up and down? Microsoft's up and down. Same crap. Now it's back below the MAs. We're going right back to here. If it cracks 100, we're gonna tank. Market sell. It's done. It's finished. Like the donk. Right. They have news on it. Bad future ahead. Expect Loop to fill the gap. On Loop, we looked at that, right? Yeah, if they go down, this one I just can't. 19,000 traded on the day. I can't do anything with this one. But yeah, I mean, it could definitely yeah, if you're talking about that gap down here at 618. Let's see here. Yeah, Microsoft, stay away. That one I wouldn't even look. We already looked at Avgo daily. Could you look at the after hours from yesterday and tell me if it would have taken the trade on Avgo? After hours, huh? Let's see. Well, I'm not even going to look at it after hours right now. If this thing popped, I mean, it looked like it popped here. I mean, maybe a 250 pierce right up in here. I mean, the next big area for me would be this gap fill, 256, and then this gap fill at 260. So maybe here, the level I really like was maybe 260, and you have another gap fill up here at 264. Let's see where it went yesterday. So 264, 260 area. Nah, 243 it went to. So now these trades are risky, guys. These things, I mean, 240, yeah. Today, this would have been the area, 250. Okay, it didn't even go up that far. Yeah, well, 243 right there, gap fill. I would have honestly waited for 247, 250. So I wouldn't have, that would have been a tough. 243 is not bad. Look what it did though, guys. Here's your gap right here. That's, and then you got your little high pivot right here too. So then so if you took the trade short here, you would have known that, hey, at this trend line, you might have to add more at 245 and then possibly at 247. So if you're taking that date, the after hours scalp like I do, right there, what was it, gap fill, 253? Yeah, it even went a little bit higher. Yeah, that wasn't a bad trade. I would have waited a little bit more, guys, 250. But look at that. Look at that thing coming in now. No, guys, I would have took it right there. I really would have. And I did. And I sold it, and I didn't tell anybody. But yeah, I mean, there's your big trend line that, and then you had the gap fill in there. Did you even have a gap fill? Yeah, that's right. You're down in here. You're down here. And I'm still looking at this. But this would have been the area to short, and you would have went down, covered it here, pop on earnings, did it again, do it again, rinse and repeat. Now you got support down here around 227. If you're in this trade, hold it. 227 is your next target. Markets go lower, it's just going to go right back to 220. But yeah, Leo. Yeah. So you know, a little more on this one. If we would have went back into this area, that would have been the area. And even this 250, you know, because it would have went gap window, gap fill, trend line, this 250 even number, and it would have been straight. It would have been like, sorry, lights out. Supposed to be Audi. Okay, Audi. Yeah, I don't get it. Is that a U.S. ticker? I don't get. I only have U.S. vehicles here, or stock. Ooh, look at Tesla, guys. Good thing we added more. Woo woo. Supposed to be Audi. All right, look at Twitter coming close to an important area. What's the important area, bud? Maybe the trend line, maybe 32.64. I mean, it still has to get above here. You're getting rejected here. You got this inside bar. It's coming over sideways. You broke past it and closed. That's telling you a little bit weak on here, but you're still above this trend line, so people are starting to talk about that. Trend line breakout. It's Twitter. It's still low. And, you know, a little bit of head and shoulder here, too. If this thing breaks out, it's going up. But if this thing breaks down, it already tried going up over it, came back in, tried it again. If it can't get above the 200 MA, it's not going anywhere. If it gets below this trend line here, starts to tick, and the market starts dumping, it's going lower. Period. AGI, gap fill soon, gold stock, AGI. Is it going up with gold? Okay, so it's a low fee. No, hold it. You got gap fill right now. I'm in gold right now, guys, the GLD. I'm completely in the driver's seat right now. I think gold's going up, and I'm holding. So if this is a gold play, that gold goes up, this goes up, hold it. You might go down. They might try to shake you out again. See what they're doing, though? I don't know how this reacts to, if it reacts to the GLD or the miners or gold dust or GET, whatever those are. I'm not sure. But whatever vehicle it follows, if gold goes up and this goes up, stick with the trade. I'm in the gold trade, so. CBRL rolling over. I own that one, too, from your live chat. Yeah. CBRL. I'm going to have to charge you more, Max. Oh, God, look at that. Right in our area, guys. We talked about it. I think we were talking a little bit higher, or maybe earnings. Damn, look at that one rolling over. Perfect one. Again, look at that. Same stupid setup. Same shit, guys. It's not rocket science. Just following the charts and following the rules. That's all it is. Yeah, great one, Max. Congrats on that one, buddy. I mean, if you're in from 180, you're already 10 in the money. You know, you even think about protecting it, because just think, you sell half, thing bounces back up, do it again. It's going to come in. Price target's still around 160. And if it really starts to rumble, you're looking at 150 and then double bottom. But you're in the driver's seat now. But remember, you know, don't be afraid. If you're in this thing from 183 and you got 10 bucks on it, take something off. Goes back up, do it again. Like we did with Tesla. Just get rinse and repeat over and over. The next thing you know, you're up 30 bucks on the trade because you've been rinsing and repeating, and then it comes in, then it's like, this is an easy one. Great though. See, you're studying, Max. You're looking at what I'm doing. Just make sure when you're taking these trades, don't go overboard on these. All right. I know you owe me. You just go to PayPal and throw me another hundo. Real long or over? No, don't. Real long? No way. Tesla? Come on. That thing's coming in like a brick. Long Tesla? Maybe 250. But I'll tell you when. Are you a member, buddy? Become a member. 30 bucks a month. Don't be cheap, you guys. Awesome. Thanks to learning. Yeah, Leo, you're new. You guys will learn. Sorry, target for Twilio again? Twilio, huh? You and that Twilio, John. All right. Coming in, though, huh? Everyone's like, what, Twilio? We can't go short in that one. We've been rinsing and repeating this one, guys. I'm going to go out on the whim on this one, or whatever the saying is. I still think we go in the mid-80s, guys, and then 80 bucks right here. Markets come in. This one's coming down like a brick, guys. Believe me, it will. You know, markets stay buoyant during Christmas. This one can continue moving up. But we're in Twilio again. We took a couple good trades on that one. So, you know, we covered half. We went back in again. So now we're in the driver's seat. Let's keep rinsing and repeating, guys. So we're back in the money again on this one. We get a couple, 3-4 more bucks. I'm cutting half again. and just going to keep riding it like goose. We did goose twice. In at 70, out at 63.89 half. And then we covered the last half at 61.30. Two great trades on goose. I don't even know what the hell the stock is. All I know is it retraced back up into another good level that we shorted before and straight back down again. These are the ones you got to catch. We even took an earnings play and we shorted calls. So we had 4 trades on this one. No, did we short calls? No, shorted calls on Twilio. But then we had a great earnings trade on this one too. Short cover, short cover, short cover, short. This was, and then here we are, covered. And it's still going lower. Well, of course, I covered it, so you know you're going to come down and fill this gap. If anyone's still holding goose, protect it. You're even getting better exit price than me. But guys, I take decent sized positions. I don't F around. I'm taking my money and saying thank you. On to the next one. Let's see. Nah, Leo, you're good, buddy. Sorry, target for Twilio again. Yeah, John, you're going down. Don't be sorry, buddy. I'll bust your balls. I'm going to bust everyone's balls. That's how I am. But you know what, guys? Thanks for being members and all that stuff. You guys are awesome. I got to give you guys shit once in a while, But yeah, no, these things, I mean, goose, that you couldn't ask for a better trade than that, guys. That was flipping awesome. But keep an eye on everything, guys. I got a couple more minutes. I got to go get my my little maggots. ABX is strong. Gold mine, yeah. ABX is good. As long as the GLD, I'm following the GLD, guys. As long as the GLD goes up and everything else is, all the gold stocks should follow. Is Tesla real long here? Nah, don't go with Tesla. No way. We're short Tesla right now. We added more today. Was it today or yesterday? I don't even know. Yeah, today. I don't even know anymore, guys. I just keep trading. That's all I do. Tesla had an upgrade today. To a buy. Come on. Oh, my God. Is that their upgrade? Holy freaking crap. Upgrade. You're upgrading. Look at this. So we had a topping tail here until we close above that topping tail. Look, it's coming right back in. Jackasses. This was the next level, 373.77. You know what we did here at StockBookie? We covered or shorted more. We shorted here, covered here, went up here. We covered back here again, popped up again. We did it again. Now maybe this is the time we get the nice fall. But yeah, if anything, you could short it. I mean, we added right here at 373, but I mean, it's still a good short in my opinion. I'd maybe wait for another retrace, another upgrade, and do it again. But yeah, that's it for that. AOBC gave me a good bump today. Thanks for the heads up on that one. I don't even know. Did I? All right, I'm gonna do a little tip jar here. Oh, you guys owe me. Ayo. Oh, was that? Yeah, look at that. Bounced up and right back in their face. Yeah, was this an earnings trade or something? Nice, though. If you took that one, great. Legalize it. You're the man. Doing good. My buddy wanted to go long Twilio, so I had to explain on the real deal. Yeah, there you go, man. Yeah, but see how that does that, John? Everyone, they start hyping it. He's watching CNBC. Oh, my God, it's going up still. This would have been the spot right here. Look, gap fill, $63. Then he had the earnings and came back down. Look, he almost filled the gap again right here, 72. That would have been the area. Tell your buddy it comes back down. Tell him about $62. Then maybe markets are dumping. It's going probably lower. Well, let's look at the monthly. We're following the monthly on these charts. Monthly chart price is $47. So I mean, you could still short it up here. I'd wait for another retrace like we did. We're in around the 93 area. Well, my God, this thing's going to come down like a brick. And when it does, we'll be out of this one again. All right, let's see here. Can you do a technical analysis of ABX real fast, John? It's breaking the major trend line. Yeah, ABX, gosh. Well, my kids can go to after hour class. Yeah, this is it. I mean, this thing's got to break above here. The 1366 is an important area. If you could get above that and close, this thing should be breaking up. But look how it did. Went up, got everybody on, retracing to the 750. Now you're back above the 618 retrace. Got to get back above the moving averages. If it does break that, this is a monthly chart, though. This is a close. It could break that on a monthly close. This one's going to start ripping. This follows the GLD. You should be fine. Here's your pivot, 1411, if you get above that. See how it's basing now? Up and down, chopping up and down. You're above the moving averages, bullish stance. You got to get above these areas. That you're 1359, the big one is the 1410. You get above 1410, this one's going to take off. All the gold positions are taking off, guys. And look at this one. If you want to look at this, see how it was in a massive downtrend? Here was your last pivot here. What do? We hit that pivot and got above it. It's not breaking the trend yet. We start getting up and starting to break that trend and start hitting these bigger pivots, then the trend could be up. So that's something to watch for, guys. If you're still in the put options in the SPY, they're back to 605. Get the hell out. Don't be a little pig. Don't be a little donkey donk. Let's see. All right, Natalie, I got your email. Yeah, it's tough to do those intraday trades. I'm watching the charts. It's really on the fly. But yeah, if I really do see anything, I'll pop out a tweet and tell you what to do. When are you, send me an email. When are you usually back? You know, there could be trades right now. You know, I mean, it all depends. Look at Tesla guys coming in. God, upgrade. But yeah, we can do that. I know the mornings are tough for a lot of people, but just stick with it, Natalie. You know, watch the videos, still study, and then, you know, eventually you could come in and do it yourself as well. Let's see here. Holy cow. Got a lot now. Can do technical analysis of it. Yeah. They want to get out, John. You know the deal. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Nice area to short Tesla now, in my opinion. Yeah, I was short at 373, Michael. I added more today. It's coming in now. It's not bad. I mean, it's still, I think, a good short, but they can still pop it up. If you do go short here, just make sure you have more to add going up. I'm already in it. We're already $7, $8 up on the last half we entered. So, Buster ripped 10 on the Netflix short today. All posted. Dude, awesome. Killer. Great trade. Yeah, we have another Netflix guy on here too. Ripping it in Netflix puts. Awesome. We ripped it on the SPY today. Got in options at 113. The options are at $6. Well, actually $6.22 now. One pert from Fed Reserve just made any statement saying they need to wait on a rate. Really? Are they already talking shit about that? Oh my God, they're out of bullets, guys. They don't even know what the hell to do anymore. Do not go long Twilio option. Players are making bets for set. Yeah, don't do it. Yeah. Well, we're short, so have January 170 puts. I'm not sure which one, Max. Is that the Netflix one possibly? Got destroyed on Apple. I wanted to invest long-term. Apple and NVIDIA both got destroyed around the same time. Tank. Yeah, how long can you go before I should average down? You know, if the markets keep going, they're going lower. I think NVIDIA is going to 100, and I think Apple right now, if the markets keep dumping, Apple will be $140 stock. And lower, maybe. Markets really tank this thing. I could see this one filling the gap. Hold on, guys. Hold on a second. All right, guys, sorry about that. Damn, drink some water, goes down the wrong pipe. I'm choking on it. Yeah, but Apple, guys, I mean, honestly, we could go down to 120 and fill this gap. So we broke this major trend line, and it could get really, really ugly. So just be really careful with this. Check Tesla, bro. I shorted from 377. Think it's going to hold support next week. I feel like, yeah, keep holding that one. Damn. Between my freaking stuffed nose, sore throat, everything else I had in the last 3 weeks. Now I can't even talk. All right, hold on here. Let's get it back. Yeah, we added more short on Tesla today. Hell yeah. This thing popping up. You got 373, 370. You have to. Have to. Oh, this one's coming in beautifully, guys. See, now that half we added, we could take it off for almost $10. Again, $10 here, $10 there, $30 here. So we're up $50 in this trade now. We're in the driver's seat. Man, that's what we got to do over and over, guys. Rinse and repeat. And Donkey Boy said, oh, he's been getting killed on Tesla for months. Dude, we've been short Tesla for months and killing it. Hee-haw. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, water. Give me water. Holy crap. Yeah, Tesla dumping. No, they popped it up so people could buy puts in it. That's what they did, B-Rabbit. Damn. Never average down losers. You know, I wouldn't say that, Mark. You can do that, but if you're trading like us, if you know you're getting in an Apple in a position and you want to spend 20 grand on it, you want to start at 5 and then average in at 5, average in another 5,000. Yeah, Tesla's coming in good. It's negative now. Woo! Right, guys? All right. Unfortunately, I got to roll. I got to go get my kids. Let me go look. They could stay after hours a little bit. Damn it. Just about to get fun here. Apple 160, NVIDIA 90. Never average down on losers. Yeah, but, you know, again, if you're trying to get into a position on a low flyer, then that's what you got to do. Goddamn voice. I guess that's what happens when you're doing live sessions every day for hours. Let's see. Wait for real. I thought averaging down was the way to boost good long-term trades. If you got capital, if you're already in a 10% position of your total portfolio on those trades, you can't do anything then. You're just going to turn a really bad trade into a really bad trade. And if these markets fall more, like I think they will, you're just going to get hammered. For real. Who is to say that Apple and NVIDIA and Will, when we're really back, yeah, they could stay down. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And your trading count. Yeah. That too, Mark. Yeah, I get that totally. I know. Water. I need water, John. Bubble bursting. Well, I assume that the future of the technology. Yeah, but man, everything went up too far. Look at these charts. Look at every monthly chart here. It's stupid. They're high flying, every one. Apple right now could easily go 140. Easily. Every chart's a high flyer. Look at Amazon. $48 down, getting the shit kicked out of it. Hey, how's that Amazon position doing, Donkey Boy? And your BA2's really hitting it hard. Dumbass. Like, sure, the future of tech. Yeah, it doesn't even matter at this point. Nothing matters other than the markets are up. And I'll show everybody this again before I take off here. We are in a massive, massive bubble. The dot-com smash, the housing crash. Look where the hell we're at now. We're up here because the Fed pumped in $72 trillion telling everybody we're great again. Now they're stalling on the rate hikes. Oh, well, yeah, I don't know. Hey, let's throw out the China trade news. Yeah. And then let's talk about Tesla's boring Oh, look at Tesla coming in. Oh, these options, the SPY options now are almost $7, guys. We bought them at 113. Did anybody hold? Anybody? I think it was two. Yeah, I think he died. Laugh out loud. Yeah. Yeah, right now I die. Yeah. I can't talk. Something's stuck in freaking. Get my stock to its feet. I've been warning since. Yeah, right. Take a break, bro. I know, right? Try some Mullen for the chest congestion. Yeah. No, it's my allergy too. AMD new low. Oh, wait. We're only in a quarter position. Hold on. Bullshitting with you guys, having fun. I could leave this on and come back here, guys, in about a half hour. You want me to leave it going? And I'll come back and we'll hit this hard. I'm looking at Tesla now to buy spread. Crazy. No way to market. It would go 50 bucks slip. Holding. Yeah, guys. All right. I got to take off. I'm going to go. Well, I'm going to leave in about 5-10 minutes. Usually let all the other moms and dads pick everybody up and I'll get my kids. But watch your trades, guys. If we start flushing, we are still in a confirming downtrend on the day. We talked about this about an hour ago. All right. So watch for that. We are dropping lower. These options now are trading 665 to 715. Where do you plan to cash out your Tesla puts? I don't have puts. I have shares. I'm dropping like a boulder. John Tuesday. Yeah, it is dropping now. All right, guys, let's get a handle on here before I roll. 262.50 double bottom, guys, coming up. That was the double bottom from the other day where we got that, started getting the bid. If this starts to crack down in here, you look the hell out. We could get a flash crash into the close and hit 260. Damn it, options are flying. Wait, which one here? When you plan to Tesla share, I'm holding them now. We're in the driver's seat now, baby. We added more today, yeah. I think this is just a bullshit upgrade. Unless we pull back another 10, then I'll cover half again. And then just let's keep doing it. If it goes up again, we'll short again. 350 at a target, we'll cover there. Bud, what's up, buddy? Bud Fox, we go back a long way too. You know, honestly, let's look at the weekly on Tesla. You know, we could get back down to 340, 347 area, guys. Got the gap fill, which I don't think we filled it. 350. You'll cover there, bud. Yeah, let's go further. Nah, don't cover something. Let this thing ride. I think we get down to 312. Not today, but we'll see. When you plan that cat, yeah, dropping like a boulder. Yeah, take care of your kids. Yeah, I will definitely, guys. I appreciate that. Share, sorry. No, chase the sun. Don't worry. Well, no, if you have puts, hey, you're freaking killing it. So, 358 on target. You guys want me to leave this open? I could leave it open and keep it going. You guys could chat and talk shit about me. No, maybe I won't. Maybe my troll will come in. You know what? If I come back and do another live session, I'll post it again, guys. No, I have shares. Haha. Yes. Yeah. So no, I'm going to close this out. If I come back, I'll come back and post something again. Nothing overnight nowadays. Yeah, I've been holding overnight too. I don't care. Talk good things, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Right now, I'll get I'll leave the session and my trolls will come in. I know there's a couple in here now. I know it. Hee-haw. Hee-haw. Right. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm going to go get my little maggots. Watch for these areas. Let's go back to you know what? Let's go back to the IWM. That's a little more important too. We're cracking these lows. Watch for 142.49 in here if we start flushing. I still think we're going to 134. Damn, guys, all our options. Look at that. One bullshit day yesterday too. We would have had they brought out news to prop this shit up again yesterday. And then, 2 days in a row with our puts. If they would have never done this bullshit, oh my God, we'd be up 1,000% in our puts right now. And we'll talk about that at another time. Something like that, right? All right, guys, I'm out. I have to get out of my underwear and actually do something today. All right, guys, thanks again for being members. I really do appreciate it. If you're not a member, go to StockBookie.com and sign up. It's $30. These puts we bought this morning that we posted, we bought at $1.13. They hit $7 today. A day trade. Come on now. All right. Yeah, even Christoph, are you in here? Flush time, right? The toilet's flushing, guys. No, we're still in a confirming downtrend. All right, guys, let me get my kids. If I come back live again, we'll do another live session. Guys, thanks for everything. Yep, you got it. Membership has made my Christmas. Hell yeah, baby. And just think, guys, if these come in, all our shorts are coming in heavy next week. Oh, my. Look at Mountain, though. That was another one, guys. getting flipping slapped. Almost. I'm in some positions still from last year, 2017. This is one of them. It was a high flyer. I'm holding this one. There's a couple positions I've been in for a little while. I'm going to hold them and just ride them down. They're all monthly chart plays, guys. Damn, look at that. Over $7 now, those options, guys. I know, my kid. They don't go to an after hours thing, and they'll be pissed. My oldest is 12, but I tell him, I told him today I'm going to make him wait. I might be live. All right, guys, I'm out. Thanks again for being members. I really do appreciate it. God bless, and see you on the charts.